going to fill you in on a couple of things I've done while in Broome. First one, I'll go for a bit of a test drive now, is I upgraded the sway bars on the 200. So if you didn't know, you can get an aftermarket Old Man Emu kit from ARB for the rear sway bar. It costs it's $585 for the kit, and it comes with everything you need. So new sway bar, which is upgraded. How do they upgrade them? Well, it's just a lot thicker steel. So instead of being like I don't know, say 20 mil round bar, it's like 39 mil. I can't remember the exact specs, I'll put them in, but they're a lot bigger in diameter, and they come with new links, new bushes, new collars, everything you need to do the job. And literally you can do it yourself. All you have to do is get under there, unbolt the old one off the diff housing, undo your sway bar links, then just drop the whole thing down. It's not that heavy, you don't need jacks, you don't need any extra tools, just need a few spanners, a few sockets, Allen key to put the new collars on, and that's about it. You get everything you need, grease up the new bushes, slap them in, and then put the sway bar links in, push the bar up, and bolt it back to your chassis. Now, all right, I've got the old one out. I'll just show you the difference in thickness and material, mate. Have a look at this. This is the best view of it there. There's the original one, how skinny it is. Here's the upgraded one, all beefed up. So that is going to be how you get better sway control. Having a nice stiffer bar there, stop that body roll. The handling's better, kind of feels like it's a bit more on rails, like a little race car, even though it's a 4.5 ton car. But yeah, stoked with it. For the $580 and a 10 minute, 15 minute install, it's a pretty bloody good addition. So here we go, ready, here's a roundabout. You probably won't be able to see it through the camera, but I can take roundabouts at like 10 k's an hour faster. I'm still not speeding, but I just used to have to slow right down because it felt like the car was going to tip over. So anyway, I think that addition is going to help a lot of you guys with heavily loaded 200 series out there on the road, with roof racks, rooftop tents, all the stuff in the back, tinnies on top especially. So if you're feeling like you got a bit of that issue with sway and body roll, get onto it, mate. I'll put a part number in here. You can just get it from your local ARB joint and fit it yourself. Happy days.